Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. So today we've got a special one. We've got a biggin, as one might say. We've got the first pair of boots that I've gotten in quite some time, and only the second ever over-the-knee boot that I've unboxed ever on this channel. Boots is not something that is really within my parameters of being able to acquire on my own. So I am super fortunate about getting these particular boots today because I fell in love with them probably 2 years ago. Tried them on, took footage of it even, showed it on Patreon, and I never forgot about these boots. These were like a holy grail sort of shoe for me because it was a boot that fit perfectly on me when I tried it on. And when this particular subscriber told me, hey, I got you a surprise, and when I found out what the actual surprise was, I was over the moon. I say that time and time again, but I don't know how else to better describe my elation, my jubilation whenever I get told, hey, you're getting a new pair of shoes, and especially one that you've been wanting for years. So let's go ahead and just tear right in. Now, this is gonna be a little bit awkward because, as I said before, see, I can barely even pick it up. This is a biggin. So we're gonna open the lid, pray the cats don't want to flop in the boxing, and we're gonna go from there. So these are the Condora Botta Alta, which are still available on the website today for $2,500, and this particular subscriber found these in brand new with the original box condition for $900. So there's nothing that makes me happier in this world than getting new shoes and hearing that the person that got them for me got a deal on them. Call me cheap, I don't know, I just, that makes me happy. Because some girls say that they want their presents to be retail prices. I say, why? So let's go ahead and show you guys the first one of these two puppies. So here we have quite a tall little boot. You're not going to be able to see me holding it up like normal, so we're just going to have to take it in like that. So let's go ahead and let's see if I can give you the 360 from afar. So we got the back of the shoe, inner quarter of the shoe, you can kind of see the zipper wanting to shine a little, and obviously the front of the shoe, and that's probably as good of a view as we're going to be getting of this shoe. Unless we want to see close-up little details. But in case you are wondering, inquiring about sizing, since they're still available, fall, winter's coming up, everyone and their mother is going to want new boots. I mean, I still want new boots after these. Who am I kidding? But these, I have found, are true to size for me. Now, that is not going to be for everyone because I have a narrow foot. So if you have an average size foot, an average width foot, then you're going to want to go up a half size in these, at least. If you are leaning wider to wide, then you're going to want to go up a whole size. Now, if you just have a straight up completely wide foot, you're probably going to want to go up 1.5. But I would, at that point, just advise you to steer clear of it because I want you to love your stuff, and these just aren't made for people with really, really wide feet. Since, let's see if I can give you a close-up of that toe box. It's narrow. It's probably about as wide as the current Miss Z pump, maybe, but obviously I don't have it to compare. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. Maybe one day I can compare. Well, we'll see. You never know. I'm getting inundated with shoes all the time. You just don't know. Now, that being said, that doesn't necessarily answer all sizing questions, because when it comes to boots, people want to know, not only is this going to fit my feet like most other shoes ever, but they want to know, is this going to fit my legs? So I took some measurements, and these fit me. They're almost slightly too snug. I'm a little bit of a sausage in these, not gonna lie. So Around my calves, I am 14.5 inches. Around the thickest part of my calves, they fit perfectly around my calves. Around my thighs where they hit go about to 18.5 inches round. So I hope that will answer sizing questions with that, since everyone and their mother who does Louboutin videos are probably thinking the actual shoe size, not necessarily the size of the shaft of the boot. So I hope that helps. And now we have our other boot in this gorgeous stretch suede. Now, I will say, I get very, very happy when I can find an actual, like, sort of leather shoe that has stretch. These are explicitly described as stretch velour. There is stretch. There is movement. However, is it a whole heck of a lot? No. So, I will say, if you're someone with really, really thick thighs, thick calves, don't go for these. Spend your money on a pair of shoes that will fit you. From my understanding, a bunch of Louboutin shoes, I want to say especially the new Miss Z Botta that's coming out, I want to say that those have a thicker shaft. I could be totally wrong. Maybe I'll get more boots in the future and be able to be a Louboutin boot guru and not just a shoe guru. We shall see. But I think that should about answer most people's questions, other than maybe how easy are these to get on. And these, quite frankly, are a battle to get on, about a 20-minute battle. So be prepared to fight to get these on. But other than that, I think that will about do it for this unboxing. So if you have not already, please do the likes, comments, subscribes, all that things. I now have memberships, and the only perk as of right now is that I am gonna give you early video drops. So they typically drop Sunday, unless I accidentally drop them too early like I did last week. But they usually drop Sunday. This time, if you're a member, they'll come out Saturday, so you can enjoy them a little bit earlier. And memberships are only $2. That's it. One and done. You're a-okay. But likes, comments, memberships, that would all be great. If you would like to further support me, you can follow me on TikTok. I'm trying to hit 10K followers for obvious reasons. Support me on Poshmark. You can buy something from my closet. I would super appreciate it if you did. And as always, follow me on Patreon. It starts at $3 a month. It's usually a pretty good time there. But now we can go ahead and, dare I say, try these on. So as always, I will see you guys in the next pair of shoes. Bye.